Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to post longer videos on Snapchat. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you in how to post longer videos on Snapchat. Now first thing you need to do is to go to your Snapchat account and go to memories. And once you're in your memories, you can go to the camera roll. And as you can see here, there are videos with different time durations. So this video here that I clicked has a time duration of 4 minutes. This is a quite long video, and as you can see, there are no buttons and options that we can post this as a story or we can send it to others. Now we will try on this video. This has a duration of 46 seconds, and as you can see, there has a button that we can add this to our story and send it to others. If you want to post a longer videos for your Snapchat, we will try on this video with a 4 minutes time duration, and we will edit this to trim. We'll just wait for the whole video to be processed for trimming. And in here, we can trim the videos to 60 seconds or less. Take note that Snapchat only allows 60 seconds video as their longest video to post on the app. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.